Everyone, welcome back. So this is our second video in the video series showing you how to connect different data sources to your Plotly dashboard using Plotly Studio. So in this case, we're going to go to Plotly Studio. The download link of Plotly Studio is under the video if you need to download it for free. And then we'll go here. Instead of accessing our data on a CSV sheet or Parquet file, we're going to connect to Databricks in this video. The last video, which you can see on the top right corner, I showed you how to connect your data on Google Sheet to your Plotly Studio app. In this case, we're going to connect Databricks. So we will configure credentials. And we need the host name of the server. We need the access token and the HTTP path. So for that, you have to log into your Databricks account. And I already logged in. And then you have to go into Compute and then choose the SQL Warehouse tab. And under this tab, I chose this warehouse. And in this warehouse, you can see that the host name and the path is here. So I'm going to copy those, copy host name, and just plug it in here. I'm also going to copy the path, plug it in here. And next, I'm going to create, I need a token. So for the token, I'm going to go into personal access token, and I'm going to create that. There we go. So we created our token, and we're going to plug it in here. And now we're going to save credentials. So now we are connecting. It's going to show us all the different data sets that we have in here. As in the preview, it will load in a second. Perfect. So it connected to all to our schema and all the data sets that are inside our Databricks. And now I'm going to ask it to connect to a specific data set. I know that I have a New York City taxi data set under the sample folder, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to say connect to my data that is in sample.nyctaxi.trips. All right, so I'm going to just copy this and put that in there. Yep, we can already type, okay. And now it's going to use those credentials, tokens, to connect to that specific data set that is on Databricks. So let's see, it's telling you here the whole process, that it's actually trying the connection. We'll include information about New York City trips. And there we go. We have trip distance, we have these columns, and a bunch of rows. So now that I'm ready, I can do explore charts because I already connected to my data on Databricks. And in this case, we're just going to create one or two graphs for the demo purposes so you can see. But if you want to see how to create a more comprehensive dashboard with 5, 6, 7 different graphs, publish your whole dashboard onto the Plotly Cloud for free, just take a look at the video above. I'll also have it in the video description, and I'll show you there how to do all of that. So Plotly Studio has given me some suggestions here on what I can build. I'm going to say let's do trip count over time. We have line chart of trip volume by hour of day. Okay, let's create that. We can also view the prompt here before creating and see what it's actually building. It's going to build a line chart with this on the x-axis, just on the y-axis. It's going to group the data, and you can actually edit it if you want and add more things or add different drop downs. Okay. So it's generating, and we'll just add one more thing. You know what? That's fine. Just for now, we'll add this graph, and you see on the left bottom side of the sidebar, it's actually building it, right? We can go to the app summary or to the New York City taxi trip analysis dashboard, and we'll see already the title of our dashboard, the description. It's going to build, it's actually in the middle of building the filters, the summary cards, and some data table, and then the graph itself. Just give it a second. There we go. So we have the summary cards, we have the data table here, -AG grid, and a line chart. So there you go. You can add more charts, go to the explore mode. You can add like this just by English prompt in here if you know exactly what you want. And then all you have to do is click publish. You can have it on the cloud, and then share it with your friends, family members, colleagues, or bosses. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of the next video where we will probably connect to Snowflake or a different type of database.